Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow dessert. Gather marshmallows, crackers, chocolate, butter, a baking dish, and an oven or microwave to begin. I will walk you through simple steps for melting, layering, and chilling so you get a gooey, creamy treat. I'll share quick tips for texture, flavor tweaks, and safe serving suggestions so your dessert comes out delicious every time with minimal fuss. Measure and organize your ingredients before cooking to make the process smooth and fun. Use 2 cups of marshmallows and about 1 cup of crushed crackers for a standard 8-inch pan, plus 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'll explain melting techniques for microwave or stovetop and how to layer for the best structure so your dessert sets properly and tastes irresistible. Start by melting chocolate with butter until smooth, stirring constantly for a glossy finish. Spread a layer of crushed crackers or graham crackers in your pan, pour half the chocolate, add marshmallows, then repeat and top with remaining chocolate. Bake briefly or microwave until marshmallows puff and chocolate is glossy, then chill for at least 30 minutes before slicing. I'll share serving ideas and quick fixes if texture needs adjusting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.